Hello everyone, I'm Lulu. Next, I'll introduce BONOSS Forge lightweight plastic spacers for BMW M2. Why need BMW M2 with spacers? The most effective modifications that can enhance both the looks and performance of your BMW M2 is installing wheel spacers. With spacer widen the track of your vehicle, providing a more aggressive stance and improved stability, especially during cornering. Additionally, they allow for the installation of larger wheels and tires, enhancing both the aesthetics and grips of your BMW M2.
Good quality BMW M2 wheel spacers must be made of good material. The industry-recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy. Usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061T6 and 7075T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones.
The correct installation is quite important. Begin by simply lifting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Next, clean the wheel hub and attach the wheel spacer to the hub. Use wheel hanger that can easily reattach the wheels. And then tighten the extended wheel bolts to the wheels. And take a look at the difference before and after installing the wheel spacers. The wheel sits flush with the fenders after the installation, giving the BMW M2 a more aggressive and sporty appearance. One of the most noticeable effects of BMW M2 spacers is the improvements in handling. By widening the track, wheel spacer reduce body roll and increase the stability, allowing for the sharp cornering and a more responsive driving experience. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS BMW M2 spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.